First, we go on a boring field trip to the museum, but some kids make it fun. Then after that, a creepy kid named Olivia tries to make voodoo dolls of everyone to torture. Yes, finally, Sully talks about how she went to the hot dog factory over the weekend. What is it like? Watch and find out.
Honey bun, I heard you are going on a field trip today. Here's you lunch. I packed a PB&J, baked chips, honey buns, and a bottle of water.
Mark, can I have money for a soda?
Soda? Why do you want a soda?
Because I want money just in case they have soda there. I feel like I am in the mood for poppy soda today.
Soda's not healthy. You are going to drink plenty of water. It's refreshing. I don't want you to be on life support. Remember when your older cousin ate too much sugar and lost a leg? That is terrible. That is why I want you to be healthy.
Mark, please.
Fine. Here you go.
Thanks, Mom.
Why must we have to go on a field trip to some place with useless information we already heard about 1,000,000 times?
Mr. Bus Driver, can you stop the bus? I need to go potty.
Sorry, we don't want to be late.
Just stop the stupid bus, you...
Fine, we will stop.
No! What I really want is what I really want. What I really want is what I really want. What I really want is what I really want. What I really want is what I really want.
Hurry up, we don't want to be late.
I already went before we stopped here.
Okay kids, we are at the museum.
Oh no!
I'm the only one in the class who actually wants to go here.
Nerd. Oh my gosh. Look what Nega's doing. I gotta take a video.
¡Ja! ¡Bienvenidos a la cripta! Dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay.
Will you guys keep it down? I am trying to enjoy this field trip.
Nerd.
Before the Ice Age there were different types of dinosaurs, like ones with long necks.
But didn't we learn it before? I remember that from last year. We were here last year for 5th grade. Why are you telling us the same stuff every year? It's insane.
Look, Silga Madre! It's a dinosaur! I will say they were real!
Until now, watch this.
I took it too far with my telekinesis example.
Hey guys, check this out.
Testing. Testing.
Oh my gosh. Why is it so dark in here? Who did this?
I got a flashlight.
Danny, it was you. Why were you so immature? But at least you made the field trip fun.
I made everyone lucky. Lucky like Timmy Nelson from Lunchy Boy.
Welcome to the Nelsons, kids, the ones with the luckiest, 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 the lucky boy.
All right, Cuss. We are going back to the bus.
I made the field trip fun.
I hope you can do it again like last time. I can't believe you made the dinosaur feel with the power of telekinesis.
Hurry up.
Look at Egg running.
The dinosaur with my Sigga King!
Kids, today is special. We are having a new kid in the class. Her name is Olivia.
Hello everyone, my name is Olivia. I like to make voodoo dolls.
Olivia. Dude, I don't have a good feeling about this new kid. Her smile is freaking me out. She holds a needle in her hand.
Hi, I'm Olivia. I just moved in from Colorado. I'm happy to see you all.
Southern dialects and creepy voices don't mix well.
Check this out. I made a doll out of you, Keiji. Isn't that the cutest thing?
Hey, how did you make it look just like me?
I saw you on the bus, so I decided to make a doll out of you.
You are starting to creep me out. Oh, what did you do with these dolls? You poked it with a needle and it made me feel like I got poked with it.
I made a voodoo doll. I make it out of people who do not bother with me, play with me, or I will do a worse torture.
Give me that. Petting this thing is like someone is petting me. Cute and creepy at the same time. I kinda like it, and I kinda don't.
Gimme, 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 gimme.
No, I am taking care of this thing until you stop creeping me out. I don't like someone making a voodoo doll out of me.
Okay, here's the deal. If you go out on a date with Mommy, I will leave you alone and stop the torture. I need a date, please.
Okay, deal. Wait, what?
I see your eyes when they're looking at me. I can't deny that you're a sight to see. The look that you gave made me fall to my knees. So you see, your eyes are the kind that make me feel gay. That gaze that you laid knocked me into a daze. A look sent my way makes me shout hip hooray. Hip hooray, hip hooray. Your eyes hypnotize, but why do you stay by my side? Whoa, 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 why don't you go? So, whoa, whoa, I'd be alone. Your eyes hypnotize, but why do you stay by my side? Whoa, 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 why don't you go? So, whoa, whoa, I'd be alone.
What am I going to do? Olivia has a crush on me and wants to go out. I know. I am going to run away.
Keiji, what are you doing? Why do you have a backpack full of stuff and running?
Because I want to run away because Olivia is forcing me to go out on a date. I hate Olivia. I want to run away so bad. Heritage point.
No, I will try and steal Olivia's voodoo doll so we cannot get hurt anymore. Let's go to that.
But how? We don't even know where she lives.
Let's go to Rosa's house and try and use a thing called dolling. Rosa knows technology because she's one big geek.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, I found Olivia on Snapchat. Let's use her account to find her address. I am still pretty scared about what she posts.
Let's go.
Okay, I found her address.
There it is. It looks creepy. I will regret this in the future.
Let's go in her room. That's where she makes the dolls.
Oh my gosh. What is wrong with her? She has dolls of everyone, even one of herself. At least I get to torture. This is what you get for stealing my boy. Now it's time to poke you with a needie.
Don't call me needy. Why are you here? Why are you here? How do you know where I live?
Grab the dolls and burn this instant.
Hey, get back here. These things don't grow on trees. Hey, who are you? You look pretty.
I'm Ethan. Let's go out on a date.
Really? Yeah, someone actually likes me.
I'm so glad that it's summer vacation. We can finally go swimming and eat hot dogs for 3 months and have no school. Yay!
Hey, Sally, these hot dogs are good. Where do you get them?
I got them at Walmart. Did you know that I went to a hot dog factory over the weekend?
Wow, you did. What is it like?
You want to know how hot dogs are made in a hot dog factory?
Yeah.
Hot dogs are an all-American fare, but most likely it was German sausage makers who first came up with the idea. In fact, there are reports of German immigrants selling them from push carts in New York's Bowery as far back as the 1860s. A century and a half later, hot dogs are still the #1 treat on the street. Traditional hot dogs are made from a mix of pork, beef, and chicken.
We went to the hot dog factory. I heard that hot dogs are made out of pigs. That's weird. Here's the best part. They add pork. Chicken. Sugar.
Yes, please. Won't you come and put it down on me? I'm right here, 'cause I need little love and little sympathy.
Look at all these ingredients. It looks gross when mixed together, but then they are shaped into hot dogs. Yummy. Time to take a picture. Oh no, my phone. Help get it out. I'm going to jump in. Oh no, I forgot. I don't know how to swim.
Get out of there this instant. The machine is not a toy. You can get very hurt.
But my phone is in there. Get my phone out of here now. I need to take more pictures to show my friends.
We are pulling you out in.
1, 2, 3.
At least I've got my phone. But wait, my earnings fell off.
Tick tock, tick tock.
There goes money down the drain. Disgusted. This is my favorite part. It's the hot dog highway.
Beep beep. Beep beep.
Why does this make me think of random noises? Now they're packaging them and going to Walmart. Delicious. Hot dogs give me energy, so I can be hungry into a pulse if I have any muscles. So that's how hot dogs are made.
What a messed up way to make something good. Here, have my hot dog. I don't even want it anymore. Wait a second. I forgot all about how they made hot dogs. I love hot dogs.
Hey guys, watch this. 1, 2, 3, cannonball.
This pool is really relaxing. So relaxing that I can do telekinesis more.
Hey, my hot dog.
Ever since I went, I have been paranoid about my earrings. I wondered what hot dog it is in. Maybe it could be in mine next.
Ouch! I broke a tooth. What is this shiny silver thing in my hot dog?
That's my earrings. Thanks, Keiji. Now for the thing I wanted to say for a while. Lawsuits.
What are lawsuits?
Everyone does that. Time to go back to the factory and lawsuit.
Is this episode over yet?
Don't break the fourth wall.